200 steps below Ia is the beautiful Ammoudi Bay. The bay is lined with terrific seafood restaurants serving great food with the crystal clear waters lapping at your feet. The port is busy with boat tours arriving and departing all day long. Catamarans of all sizes bring tourists to see the volcano, swim in the hot springs, and tour the Caldera cliffs and beaches, and most popular of all, on sunset cruises. The walking path around the bay goes straight through the restaurant patios. 5 minutes walk past the last restaurant, the path hooks around the corner to a great swimming spot with a small island you can swim out to that has a popular ledge to jump off of. The main reasons for a visit to Ammoudi Bay are dining, departures on tour boats, and swimming at a unique location. There are no shopping or other cultural attractions here. There are a few choices as to how to reach the bay. A steep but very doable staircase from just below the castle in Ia leads down to the bay if you're feeling adventurous. Each step is wide and the surfaces are uneven. If you're heading out to a romantic dinner in fancy shoes or spending the day in flip-flops, this walk probably isn't for you. Like the Fira to Ia walking trail, it'll help to have on appropriate shoes. The alternative is to take a taxi that can be arranged at your hotel or by the restaurants. Another option is to walk one direction and to drive the other.